Hi, today I'll be making gajar ka halwa. Don't worry, I won't be standing here for hours and grating carrots because I'll be using the gajar halwa mix from MTR. For this, I'll be needing some water. The measure for this halwa is going to be 1 measure of the mixture and about 3.5 measure of the water. We'll be boiling the water nice and hot. If you're using about 1 cup of the mixture, we'll need 3.5 cups of water. Just pour in the mixture and mix it well. Gajar halwa is a very popular winter dessert, but I think because of this ready mix, it can be available in any season. If you're really fond of it, don't wait for winters. We have to keep stirring it occasionally, and we have to make sure that all the liquid has evaporated. It would take some time, so just be a little patient. If you really want to impress somebody, especially in your family, just go ahead, buy a packet of this gajar halwa mix and make it at home. And trust me, nobody would know the difference between the gajar halwa from this packet or from fresh carrots at all. Usually gajar halwa is always eaten as it is, but you can go creative. You can think of really nice things like maybe serving it with some ice cream or making a samosa out of the gajar halwa or a spring roll out of it. There are really creative ways of serving gajar halwa, and you can do all that with this halwa too. If you want to add some flavors into it like cardamom, you can add, or any form of nuts. This packet has some cashew nuts added to it, but if you want to add more, you can just go ahead and add it. You can see the halwa is getting thicker. The color is becoming so nice, so bright and orange. Now, just before it's fully done, I would add some ghee in it. It would give it a nice flavor, about 3 tablespoons of ghee. Give it a good stir. There you are, you can see it. Now you just need to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's smelling amazing. Trust me, I can't resist myself. I remember when I used to be a kid, my mother used to really feed me a lot of gajar halwa, and I used to always wonder why, and she used to say it's very good for children. The reason being that carrots are very high in vitamin A, which is very good for our body, and just eat a lot of it because your skin glows, your hair are good, everything is good because of carrots. As you can see, our gajar halwa is almost ready. You can hear that crackling sound. It's because of the ghee. It is getting into each and every grain of the carrot, and it's going to make it yummier. And yes, it's done. We'll be serving this gajar halwa, and I'll be eating it very fast. Now you can garnish the gajar ka halwa with whatever you like. I am doing it with almonds and pistas. You can add cashew nuts. You can add blanched almonds. Nicely chopped nuts. And your gajar halwa is ready.